Welcome to Local Promotion Videos. In this session, we are going to cover Databricks Delta Tables. Delta Live Tables offers a comprehensive understanding of how to streamline both streaming and batch ETL processes, simplifying complex data management tasks for data professionals. Understanding Delta Live Tables is crucial for modern data teams, as it provides a reliable framework for data transformation and ensures data quality and integrity. Delta Live Tables is a declarative ETL framework on Databricks, designed to simplify and automate data transformation processes, ensuring reliable data processing. Key features of Delta Live Tables include scalable data pipelines, automated data engineering, and clear query logic specification, all contributing to efficient and reliable data processing. Use cases for Delta Live Tables highlight its ability to enforce data quality standards, provide reliable data transformation, and scale data management for large organizations. Getting started with Delta Live Tables involves understanding its scalable data pipelines, automated data engineering features, and the ability to specify transformations through query logic. Benefits of Delta Live Tables include reliable data processing, scalability, automated data transformation, and maintaining high data quality standards throughout the data pipelines. Advantages of Delta Live Tables are evident in its reliable data processing, scalability, performance, and robust data quality assurance, making it ideal for complex data environments. Streamlined data management with Delta Live Tables simplifies traditional ETL processes, automates data pipelines, and ensures data processing tasks are testable and reliable. Real-time data processing with Delta Live Tables enables streamlined streaming ETL, reliable batch ETL, and automated data quality checks, ensuring accurate and efficient data transformations. Case studies and success stories demonstrate how organizations have improved data management and processing capabilities through the implementation of Delta Live Tables. Implementing Delta Live Tables involves deploying and configuring data pipelines on the Databricks platform, enabling scalable and reliable data transformation processes. Deployment and configuration of Delta Live Tables focus on setting up scalable data pipelines and running data processing tasks efficiently on the Databricks platform. Best practices for data management with Delta Live Tables include optimizing data pipelines, ensuring data quality, and managing large volumes of data effectively and efficiently. Training and resources for Delta Live Tables include educational materials, certification programs, and community support, helping data professionals master data management and processing. The future of data management will see Delta Live Tables addressing evolving data team needs, driving innovations in data engineering and empowering efficient data processing. Thank you for exploring Delta Live Tables. For further inquiries, contact us at localpromotion@gmail.com.